At the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader, we're taking a look here at the market profiles. We always like to start with that. Here's our market profile and volume profile from today. This is the one from the overnight session. So really just a day of consolidation, nothing too exciting in preparation for the FOMC news tomorrow at 2:15 Eastern Time. We're still looking at the 50 area as resistance in around 50-51 and around this area as where we think the market could rally to before it has a good move lower. And if it can get up there, it may not even get up there, of course. The next area that we're looking at that could contain any upward movement is in around this 43 area, which was today's high. So this is also a known resistance area as well, in around 43. Now, if the news comes out unexpectedly bullish for some reason, and the market rallies and holds above 1050, that would be a turn in complexion in the market sentiment, and we'd favor the long side. But as it stands right now, we are favoring the short side, and probably in the resistance either around 43 or around 50. And on the downside, the market still has the potential. I mean, the first target is yesterday's low, which is around 27, but below that it could easily hit 10, 15, 10, 12. So those are some of the downside targets. Here's the individual profiles just from the day session only. We always like to use those as well in our analysis. As far as our trades were concerned today, we only had 3 trades today. Our first trade here was a nice trade, got us short right in here, and we're able to take part in this down move here for 3.25 points, so easily reaching our first 2 objectives. We then had a couple of long trades later in the day. The second one here, so this is our first trade. Our second trade turned out to be a break even. It did move up a point for us. And our other trade here ended up by moving, sorry, that first one went up to here, the second one went up to here, and that was our third trade, and it moved 0.75 in our favor. So we're able to take profits on that trade, reaching our first 2 objectives, and a break even on the final partial on that trade. So waiting really for the news tomorrow, which is there is some news that will be released early in the day. 8:15 the ADP employment numbers come out, and also at 10:30 the crude. So we'll have to take a look at that when they come out. Unlikely it's going to move the market too much, but it wouldn't surprise us if the market does move up to test into the 43 and then of course the 50 area before it really gives a good sort of sense of what it wants to do next based on the reaction from the news. So any questions or comments, please feel free to get a hold of us. Love to hear from you. And thanks for taking the time to listen to this video, and we'll see you tomorrow.